Welcome to a new Mamba FX tutorial. This time I'm going to show you how to make a security cam effect. The first thing that we have to do is to check our Mamba's configuration. So let's go to Config Utility, click on General tab, set our preset. I'm going to set a Full HD. Here we can control our autosave time, and if we go to the Interface tab we can choose between one or two monitors. So let's click OK and start Mamba. Well, this is Mamba's interface. On the top right, we can see the visual editor. On the top left, we can see the node graph editor, and at the bottom of the screen, we got the different tabs to control our parameters from our nodes or projects. So now it's time to create a new project. I'm gonna click OK to this current project settings, and I'm gonna call this one security cam. Okay, we can see in our media tab the folder tree. But first we need to go to import to import our material. I'm gonna go to Mamba Media and try to find some clip with a guy walking. Let me check. Okay, I was searching for this one, so I'm gonna go to import, give it a new file name. I'm gonna call this file guy walking. Go to link as progressive sequence, and here we got. Well, the next material that we need is this cam edge.png. I'm gonna import it, link the image, and the last one is this bottom image. So let's link the image. Here we go. Okay. So on this project, I'm gonna try to create the cam recording effect. So let's start working by adding a black and white effect to our guy walking. Okay, here we've got our black and white clip, and now we need a solid that is going to work as the cam effect. So let's go to connect both nodes to see how it's going to work. I'm gonna set it at Confetti and add a corner, and okay. This is what I need. I need a solid and a clip behind the solid. Okay, let's work in our security cam effects. So I'm gonna disconnect this node just for now, and let's create some noise to give the noise to our alpha channel from this solid. So I'm gonna start by going to the effects tab, create a noise, duplicate it, and okay. This node is going to be a stripes node, so let's change the name to stripes, and let's create some stripes. I'm gonna add some radius, maybe 60, and I'm gonna animate these stripes by animate the seed parameter. Okay, so let's click on Auto key and let's insert some keyframes. Okay, and we're going to set the range from 0 till 10. Sorry. Okay, and the last one. Perfect. Here we can see our animation, and we need to roll these stripes to make it works better in our camp. So let's add framing, double click, and roll it till 90. Now we're going to scale it till 180, and here we go. Okay, so the next step is to work on this node, on this noise. So I'm gonna animate this noise over here. So let's animate the seed parameter as on the stripes. I'm gonna click on Auto key and let's insert some keyframes. And give it a range from 0 to 10. Okay, the last one. Okay, and here we got our animation. Now we are going to connect both nodes. So let's go to Confetti. I'm gonna add that connect over here. Another one. Sorry. Over here. And let's set this Confetti. I'm gonna set project as our result size. So let's add background, add the layer, call layer 1 stripes, call layer 2 noise, and I'm gonna give it a blending mode as normal, and on the blend attributes parameter I'm gonna give it 30, think it's enough. And now we're going to add this compo to the solid channel, alpha channel. So let's click on Confetti, click on solid, go to effects and create an external key. We have to change the inputs and okay. Well, now if we see our RGB channel, we can see the gray hue, and if we go to our alpha, we can see the comp with all the noise. Okay. Well, now it's time to working our cam data animation. So let's add Com3D over here. I'm gonna add a connect. Okay, another one. Okay, and let's set this Com3D. Solid, add a layer, call layer 1, cam edge, call layer 2, rec bottom. Okay, so now let's animate the rec bottom blend parameter from 100 to 0. So let's click on auto key and add some keyframes. Okay, and now we're going to give it 0, 0, and the last one. Okay, perfect. Now we can see our animation, our red button animation, and we can go to the RGB view, and here we go. Now it's time to connect this compo with our glass or crystal, or as we want to call it. So let's click on Com3D, click on external key, and add a Com3D. I'm gonna add some connect and here. Okay, we're going to change the input, and here we got. Well, now it's time to add it to our final Com3D. So let's create a connect. I'm gonna delete this input and okay, here we go. If we see the visual editor, we can see that this is working correctly. So now it's time to do the final step, that is to do a render. So I'm gonna save this compo as security cam.m, save as, double click on Confetti, output, choose movie, select our format. I'm gonna set MPH4. I'm gonna give it a name, security cam render, and to render, click on render. Okay, here we got our final render node with the final animation. And if we go to our Mamba media folder, go to security cam movies and double click on this file.mov. We can see the final result too. Okay, so to hear this tutorial, if you have any question, please feel free to ask me. I will be pleasure to help you if I can. And thanks for watching.